Hello and thank you for visiting our vehicle website. I'm James Healy here at Luscombe Suzuki, and it's my pleasure to be showing you around this limited edition Swift Attitude. So with the Attitude you get a number of additional features on the exterior. The first being this carbon effect trim which runs right round the vehicle. So you've got it at the front there and then down the sides and the rear. Really adds to the sporty styling, which was the whole idea of the Swift Attitude. You also get the diamond cut alloys, as you can see there. Very nice feature on this vehicle. This particular vehicle we sold from new. It's had just the one private owner who's really looked after it. It's in fantastic condition. Also benefits from a full service history. At the rear of the Swift Attitude you get the tinted privacy glass, which ties in very nicely with the spoiler, and you can see the carbon effect trim there also. Let me show you the boot size. So the Swift Attitude has a decent sized boot, enough room for smaller luggage and some shopping. So not only does it look great, it's a very practical vehicle. Also has a very reliable engine, Suzuki's 1.2 litre dual jet. Let's take a look in the back. So you get 3 seats in the rear, and again the rear of the vehicle, just like the exterior, fantastic condition. Looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. Take a look up front next. So you've got your steering wheel with integrated controls, as we can see there. Let's give you a close-up of the mileage. See, 17,119. Height adjustable seating, nice wide seats in this vehicle, which again are in fantastic condition. In-car entertainment, you've got Bluetooth for streaming your music and making calls, as well as DAB radio, CD player. Underneath that you've got your air conditioning, handy storage points and a USB charger. So if you're in the market for a Swift, want something a little different from the average one, like I say, Swift Attitude has brilliant exterior styling that you don't find on many Swifts, and this particular Swift is in fantastic condition. Really low mileage, full service history. If you'd like a test drive or more information, please feel free to get in touch with a member of the team and we'll happily help.